Well, it's Tuesday, week 3, I think now. Took a week and a half to demolish this roof, and then now I'm rebuilding it slowly. Or the first time I did it, I uh, I built the ends up on both gable ends first, and then worked my way towards the middle, and that didn't work out very good. It ended up being a lot of cuts in the middle on the other side. So this time I'm just working my way up, one row at a time, getting it done. So I'm having to cement or mortar each tile to this little edge here. And if I need to, I can screw a screw in there and put a roofing tile in there to hold the tile in place. But luckily, so far, it's just not so steep that the tiles are falling off. And I leave it set for a little while, put the next row on. Now I'll go over here and do this bottom side over here, get that one up next. And then I'm mixing some of the old tiles with the new tiles, the stress tile, because I got about 40 tiles of the old ones I want to use. And just to get rid of them, really. They're not really that great, but getting rid of them. So just using a basic 4-to-1 cement, 4 sand, 1 Portland cement, ordinary cement. And then again, where I'm hitting these, where the rafters are, I'm having to cut these nails on the grinder so that they don't stick up and don't puncture the fabric. And it's an overcast day. It's about 60. It's not, I don't even think it's quite 70 degrees. It may be. I'm listening. I just found a new place to listen to my weird stuff, paranormal radio. And if you, I have a search engine called Simply Radio or Simple Radio, and that gives you all these radio stations you can listen to on the internet. And I just typed in paranormal, and bang, there's a whole bunch of them. And I've been trying to listen to KGO and Coast to Coast AM, but they got so many damn commercials on the thing. It's hard to listen to. But anyway, it's Roswell, New Mexico has well, they call it Roswell Radio, but it's actually from Texas. So if you look over there to that gable end over there, you see how big and fat the joints are on that? I want to make my joints about as fat as that blade there, about 10 mil, maybe a little more. So it's going to be tricky trying to get that thing, those round tiles built on there, and then having to stand on the tiles and do it. But that's where we are. Talking to you later then.